Alright, it's Friday the 12th of May. Let's look at the paper trading account, how it's performing. We are in some good profit on the trades. Let's look at the news. So we had some GBP news today. I wasn't awake at this time. So the GBP news, we had some bearish, then some neutral, and then the minor news was positive. So it's not really going into any direction. We get USD news later during the day. This is going to be pretty important to establish a new uptrend on the dollar, which I'm hoping for. But we'll see about that. Okay, so I'm really amazed with these positions. So let's look for some more opportunities. USD CHF. Here is a good shorting opportunity. It's bouncing from the zone, even though it's a weak zone. We got a fairly strong reaction. Also, when you look at the past, this has been a zone that has been touched upon frequently. So now that we push through it and we get a retest, it's a perfect area to do a trade. Also, snake trend is really bearish here. And then if it turns yellow during a bearish trend, it's a good time to go short. So it's starting to go red again. Let's put in an order. Put the stop loss above the zone. Something like this, yeah, and then targeting those bottoms. This trade is gonna have a lot of room, but it's okay for me. Okay, yeah, that's a nice target. Create market order 0.5 risk and put in a trade. Here we got a similar situation, but it hasn't broken down yet. Again, waiting for it to move a bit lower, then a retest, then a reaction, and then we enter. Waiting for a double bottom on this one. This is an interesting setup. We got a wick into the zone, then another wick close to the zone and then breaking out. This is looking like a double bottom on a lower time frame. Let's look at lower time frame real quick. Yeah, it's a double bottom. So what are we going to do? Are we going to long and target these highs? Let's go back to the 4 hour. It's a small position, not as wide as the others that I usually take. Let's put the stop loss below this VIP level, something like this, and target these highs. Okay, create a market order, 0.5% risk. Not trading the indices. Brand is looking good. It's 6 o'clock my time in Belgium, and we have some profits on the accounts. As you can see, many of them are close to their take profit or halfway there. So that's good. Let's move these order blocks. And we are in enough trades, like a lot of orders got hit. So actually we're good. We don't really need any more trades, but let's still look for some setups. This is perfect. We are finally breaking this zone on AUD CAD. Before that I was anxious that the zone would hold and the price would break back up. This is a good sign. This zone is now turning into resistance instead of support, especially when this candle closes and the new candle is opened right below here. We see a lot of sellers trying to go down, but then buyers are catching up. I expect price to come back in here a bit before it drops further down. Here we got a massive move. I don't know what caused this, but it's right inside the zone. I'm hoping to see a reaction from this. If the next candle closes somewhere around here, I'll put a sell stop, something here, and then a target these lows. Here we are actually in a $54 profit. Let's close this out. We are only targeting 1% increase on the account. I don't know why I put a target of 62 instead of the 54. So just close this down. Looks like silver hit the stop loss. Yeah, we got a pullback and then we're going back down, that's good.